guys, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this video, we will be talking about mastering reading techniques for your IELTS exam. Let's have a look at the overview. I will be giving you tips to adapt skills that will help you find your answers easily. The aim of the video is to help you answer your questions quickly using two methods. One is to understand the question clearly and find the keywords in the question. The other is to read the passage itself efficiently. So let's have a look at the first and foremost technique, that is to find out or know what exactly you are looking for. Having a clarity on what you are looking for before you start reading the passage is very important. Then, as you read the question, you will have to understand it clearly and try to highlight all the keywords in the question. Once you're done with this, as you're reading the question, try to get the gist or the outline picture of what exactly the question is asking you to answer. This will help you find your answers easily and more efficiently when you read the passage. Let's have a look of how we can implement this technique in an upcoming example.
So here we see a typical question that you will see in your reading exam. So the question reads, question 20 to 24, do the following statements agree with the information given in reading passage 1? In boxes 20 to 24 on your answer sheet, write true if the statement agrees with the information, false if the statement contradicts the information, not given if there is no information on this. So you will have to read this set of instructions very carefully before you start reading the question itself. So here we have to find out basically if the statements agree with what is given in the passage, which means you have to see if these statements are given in the passage or not, or if they are not mentioned at all. Based on that, you will have to give your answer. So here you will have to highlight the keywords first. The keywords here will be nations, industries, aided, largest producers of steel, first, develop steel making machines, culture, influence, kind of steel, produced. So once you have the keywords and you know the gist of what you're looking for, it will be much easier for you to answer your questions and you will be able to answer the questions much faster. So when you're reading the passage, you can actually look up for these exact keywords or synonyms of these keywords, and you will be able to locate your answers much easily and faster than going through the entire passage.
The next most important technique is strategic searching. In strategic searching, you will have to take the help of keywords to locate your answers in the passage. Highlight keywords in your question and try to look for the same keywords in the passage. But remember, don't just stick to the same words, look out for synonyms of the keywords as well. So once you're looking out for the synonyms, try to scan through the passage and look for your answer there. Now that I have told you about scanning, let me tell you what exactly is this technique called scanning. Scanning is the most important technique that you will have to adapt to if you want a good band score in your IELTS reading exam. So scanning is basically a technique where you read fast to get only specific information. You have to keep in mind the keyword that you're looking for and scan through the content accordingly. Once you get the keyword that you're looking for, just read the sentence before and after it to get your answer. But this technique needs to be mastered. So now let me tell you how you can master this art of scanning. This happens only with practice and with the help of these few tips. Be distinct about what you're looking for and be very specific that you look for only those particular things. The question paper should be held at arm's distance, simply because you will be able to see more number of words. If the paper is closer to you, your vision will be restricted to a fewer number of words. Do not read the whole sentence. Just try to absorb whatever you can see. Keep the focus on the center of the page and read downwards. So this will help you understand the gist of what you're seeing and not read word to word. Seeing as many words possible at a time is your aim here. This is what is called scanning. You should just go through the words and not try to read and understand it word to word. So let me now summarize what we have gone through in this video. We have seen how to adapt techniques that will help you score better, understand and define what exactly you're looking for before you start reading the passage, how to scan through the content and master the art of scanning. And last but not the least, practice, practice and practice. This is the only way these techniques will come to you naturally and you will be able to implement them successfully. So this was it about the reading module, the tips, strategies related to it. In my upcoming video, I will start off with the writing module of the IELTS. Do stay tuned. Thank you.
Tutorialspoint.com. Simply easy learning.